Hello everyone, and welcome to your lecture for sleep. Tonight we journey into a world of quiet contemplation, a place where the line between reality and reflection blurs. Settle in, get comfortable, and let my voice be your guide as we explore the story of the haunted mirror. Imagine an old antique shop, tucked away on a cobblestone street filled with the gentle scent of aged wood and beeswax. In the very back, leaning against a velvet curtain, stands a mirror. Its frame is ornate, carved from dark, heavy wood, with intricate designs of vines and leaves that seem to twist and grow as you look at them. The glass itself is not perfect. It has a slight silvery haze, as if it has held onto the echoes of every face it has ever reflected. This mirror is known as the Whisperer's Glass. Legend says it doesn't show you just your reflection, but a reflection of your innermost self, the part of you that is calm, at peace, and ready for rest. It doesn't trap spirits. Instead, it releases worries. It's not haunted by a ghost, but by a profound sense of tranquility. As you stand before it, your own image begins to soften. The sharp lines of your day, the tension in your shoulders, the thoughts racing through your mind, they all begin to fade, absorbed into the silvered depths of the glass. The reflection looking back at you isn't anxious or stressed. This version of you has a gentle smile, their eyes are calm, and their posture is relaxed. This is the you that is ready for sleep. Focus on your breathing now. Inhale slowly, deeply, as if you are breathing in the cool, still air of that old antique shop. Feel the air fill your lungs, bringing with it a sense of peace. And as you exhale, imagine you are breathing out all the noise and distractions of your day, releasing them into the mirror. Watch them dissipate like mist on the glass, leaving behind only clarity and quiet. With each breath you sink deeper into comfort. Let your body become heavy and relaxed. Your head rests softly on your pillow. Your arms and legs feel wonderfully limp, grounded and secure. The mirror's frame, with its winding vines, reminds you of the natural cycles of rest and renewal. Just as a plant rests in the quiet of the night, so too can you find your own stillness. The Whisperer's Glass has reflected countless sunsets, watching the world outside grow dim and quiet. Now it reflects your own personal twilight. The light in your room seems to soften, the shadows grow longer and more comforting. The world outside your window fades into a distant murmur, unimportant and far away. Your only reality is this moment, this space of perfect calm. Let's imagine you can reach out and touch the cool surface of the mirror. As your fingertips make contact, a gentle, soothing energy flows into you. It travels up your arm, across your shoulders and down your spine, melting away any remaining tension. This is the mirror's gift, the gift of letting go. You let go of tomorrow's to-do list, of yesterday's conversations, of any and all concerns. They are simply reflections, and you can let them fade away. Your reflection in the mirror begins to look sleepier. Its eyes are gently closing, its breathing is slow and even. This is your own body's signal, a powerful suggestion to follow suit. You are mirroring your most peaceful self. You are becoming the tranquility that you see. Your mind, once a busy street, is now a quiet, empty lane at midnight. The only thing present is a gentle, drifting sensation, like a single leaf floating on a still pond. You are that leaf, weightless and free, moving gently with the silent currents of the water. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do but simply float. The antique shop is quiet now. The owner has locked the door and the moonlight streams through the window, casting a soft silver glow on the Whisperer's Glass. The mirror is at rest, and so are you. It has absorbed all the worries you have given it, holding them safely until they are no longer needed. Your awareness is narrowing, focusing solely on the sensation of comfort and the rhythm of your breath. In and out. A slow, steady, peaceful rhythm. Each exhale carries you further away from wakefulness, deeper into the serene landscape of your own mind. You are on the very edge of sleep, a gentle threshold between worlds. The story of the haunted mirror is not one of fear, but of profound peace. It is haunted by the quiet moments, the deep breaths, the surrendered worries of all who have stood before it. It is a vessel of serenity, a gateway to rest. And now, You have passed through that gateway. There is nothing left to do but allow yourself to drift completely. Let the last remnants of thought dissolve. You are safe, you are comfortable, and you are ready to sleep. The journey is complete. Rest now, and let the quiet magic of the Whisperer's glass carry you through the night. Sleep well. Thank you for joining me for this sleep lecture. If you found this journey relaxing, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more peaceful nights. Your support helps us create more content to help you rest. Sweet dreams.